What's up and welcome back. So today I'm taking you along on a tour to the waterfalls. The waterfalls is the highest waterfalls in Ghana and also the highest in West Africa. And
the height of it is 855.
wow, let my tour guide. Is it a tour guide or a tour guide?
I'm a tour guide.
Okay, so
My name is Matthew.
okay, his name is Matthew. So today
We are
he's
now
going to be
going to
our
cross.
tour guide. And those are my friends. I met her for the first time. I met you yesterday. Okay, so I met her for the first time today. And her name is Talita. And she is Elisha. So today I'm going with them to the waterfalls and it's going to be very, very interesting. So I've decided to take you guys along. So I'll get back to you.
Now, my name is Matthew, a tour guide. We are now going to the highest waterfalls, as my sister said. We are moving towards the falls right now. And it's the highest waterfalls in West Africa. And this falls in generation was found, never dry.
Wow.
It was found by Mr. Kluge, a hunter, over 200 years ago in the year 1869. Wow. And the height of the falls is 855 meters height. As Generation said, never dry. This river moves straight to River Volta.
Wow.
We are the demarcation of Togo and Ghana. So the back of the mountain is Togo. So we are in border town. We got the border posts. So from the border post to Togo is just 5 minutes walk to Togo. In our forest, we don't have any harmful animals, except it's not common. Only snake, but it's not common.
Snakes are common everywhere. Oh.
No, in the dry season, this road is very busy always.
Oh, okay.
So at times, when you see them, you just suck them away. You don't kill. We don't want any animal to be killed in this forest.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's very poisonous, but when you kill it, the foreigners, they say, hey, why do you kill it? Their friends are in forest.
Yes.
But me, their friends are in forest. Me, a snake is a very poisonous animal. When I get it, I'll slash it up.
In Ghana, snakes are considered enemies. So
When you bite you, within 15 minutes
but
time, you
your
can
wife
die.
is normal.
But for them, they said their friends are in forest. Me, I don't know their friends. They should bring their friends out, scatter them out.
This one is really, really interesting.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying his company.
Yeah. That's why I say when I talk ministry, we are going to play for them.
Yeah, so
So we are on tour moving now towards the falls. You can swim as well. You can swim as well in the lower
even
falls.
I didn't bring swimming costume. Like
You are in danger.
I
Then you
totally
only
forgot.
view the falls and then take
I'll
picture of
view
it.
and take lots of
And
pictures.
this falls to the upper falls at bridge number 9. That means you are going to make 1.5 hours hiking, but we are walking towards 40-45 minutes towards to the lower falls.
Wow. So we have lower and
Upper falls, the same height. The mountain at the top is very high, but it's in this afternoon is very hot. We can't climb. So we are now walking towards to the lower falls. As soon as it's 2 o'clock, no one's going to sign for upper falls. It's a law to the office. So we are going to the lower falls.
So when it's
You want to die on the way?
we can't go.
No one can stand.
Can go to the upper falls. So this time we are going to the lower one.
Yeah. But the lower and then the upper, the same height you view.
So what
the same
times do
height
you go to the
and
upper one?
The height you are going to view the same at the top too.
Oh, okay.
You
So
can
if you
see-
want to go to the higher,
You
you
can
have to come
start from
very early in the morning.
8 o'clock, 9 to 10,
Oh, okay.
11.
Okay.
By now it's getting to 2 o'clock. You cannot do the height.
Yeah, it's true.
So, by the way, you can swim as well too in the lower falls.
Oh, okay.
If you wish.
And people
The sun
do
is
come
there.
to the lower
Yeah,
falls.
they are there. If you don't carry your towels up, in your pants, you can rest. Wait till you rest finish. You
Yeah.
come back.
We can swim
Ah.
away our
You
Yeah,
are
it's
just
true.
swimming.
Mommy, I can't.
No one will tell you before you remove yourself.
Are you sure? Let me go
Yeah,
and
let's
see.
go and
See
see.
for myself. Yeah.
So you're welcome. Any question?
Thank you.
Okay. You mentioned who founded, who
Mr.
discovered
Kluge
it.
discovered. Mr. Kluge.
And I heard that actually the name wasn't Wli Waterfalls
Wli
from the
Waterfalls.
beginning. Oh,
The Wli Waterfalls. The name of the town is called Wli,
okay.
meaning struggle or fight out. That's the meaning of the name of Wli in our town, in our dialect.
Look at
Okay.
this one.
But,
Yeah, this sound.
yep. But the really name of the river is called River Agumacha.
That's what I
I
heard.
want you to
Ask questions.
ask questions. That's why I say, is there any question?
Yeah, I know.
Was
So-
it a farmer?
Yeah, it's a farmer, it's a hunter. So this man is a brave man. In that year, as I said, over 200 years ago, in the year 1869, That time they say wild animals in this forest. He's a very brave man, and then using spiritual point to come to the forest.
Wow.
He's the founder, who is called Mr. Kluje. He's the only person who can enter this forest. So when going to Rapa Falls, you can meet the Mr. Kluje's hunting house on the way when going hiking.
Oh,
I
see.
On those days, in that year, 1869, there is no camera, so they use the wall, which he built down there for remembrance of him.
Wow.
So this man used to come here hunting. That time, even there's lion, according to elders, over 200 years is not easy.
It's not easy.
And game and wildlife, they want visitors to enter this in a colonial time, British time. That time, Xoxo was the capital of Ghana. So they came in a helicopter and then spread the whole forest and kill all wild animals for visitors to be free.
Yeah.
Like me, Matthew, the tour guide, when there's lion here, I will never come. So except only snake.
So was the guy from this town?
Yeah, the guys from this town. The hunter from here.
Okay.
Selected from the town here.
Okay.
So we are free. Only the snake. But when I see snake, I'll kill it. I will
Oh,
never
for
say
snake, yeah, no matter what,
their friends are in forest. A snake will bite me to die.
Then they'll say they are your friends.
My friends.
To the whites, they see them as, because for them, it seems they have a way of bringing snakes
The
closer
snake
to
will kill
themselves.
it.
So,
That's it. So snake is a very poisonous
but we
animal.
Ghanaians, snake is
Very
poisonous.
poisonous. So when you
Yeah.
see it, we kill it.
We'll kill it.
So when you foreigners who see a snake, their friends are in forest, I will not tolerate that. I'll kill it. That's part the tip you give me. Take your money, go. Their friends who come on, I'll kill them and slap them off to save people's life.
It's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
It's
Welcome.
true. Yeah, thank you, thank
I'll
you,
stop
thank
it
you.
and
Yes.
Okay, now.
We are not even halfway through the journey
Okay,
yet.
I like
But I
my
think
sister. I
the
want her to
journey
be
is-
my girlfriend. I already have a boyfriend. No way for me here. So we are on tour.
I'm really having a nice time with this tour guide. Like, he's really
He's a nice
interesting.
person
He's a
also.
very nice person. And I'm having an interesting time with you girls.
Now we reach the checkpoint. We are
Okay.
bridge number 4.
Okay.
As I said, bridge number 9. We are now bridge number 4.
Wow!
Yes,
So we are left with 5 more.
yeah, but now from here, from bridge number 4, little time we cross the bridge.
So
we
this
are
is
using
4th
some-
bridge. So we are going to meet other 5 before we get there.
Yeah. So we are
Okay.
going to use about say 10 minutes to repose now.
Okay.
So this is a
Okay.
checkpoint.
Okay.
So every holiday in Ghana, it can be more than 5,000 people on this route.
Okay.
Then we are going to shoot up the door in the reception.
Okay.
You are going to meet the police and security guys over here.
Okay.
They will bring the computer machine down here with the generator,
Okay.
checking you and check your receipt before you move. When coming back, they will not ask you anything. So every holiday in Ghana, very busy on this.
We have reached bridge number 7. And actually where we have gotten now, we can actually see the higher falls up there. But he said when you are at the lower falls, you can't see the upper. Same way when you are at the upper falls, you can't see the lower. And it's past 2 p.m. So there is no way you'll be able to go to the upper falls. So right now, we are going to the lower falls, which is the same Wli Waterfalls.
You even need more energy to go there.
Finally, guys, I can't wait to show you what I'm seeing. Like, let me put you guys in suspense. Like, this is beautiful. Wow, very beautiful. If this is the lower, then you guys should just imagine the highest, like the higher. It's really beautiful. I'm going closer so I can show you guys the view. So there's the environment. Here we have a washroom there and all that. So yeah, me too. So guys, we are going towards the falls and then I will show you guys the view, how it looks like. This is nice.
Wow.
Can you guys see what I'm seeing? Good afternoon. This is nice. I can't even show from I can't even show from the up to down. Can you guys see this? From up there to down here. This is nice.
I want to change the station.
Ah, okay. Then we'll have to go back there. Can you guys see up there, like lots, thousands of also they are called fruit bats or something. So many of them hanging on the mountain, and you guys can see how nice up there is. Is that they are called what? Like I'll be using it for a vlog, so it has to be like this. Otherwise, it won't enter the editor. So okay. So you guys can see something like a rainbow down there. Like this site is just beautiful.
Look at the bats.
Yeah, the bats have so many, like plenty of them.
For the man, them a jagaban, we bad like Pono low body better than fresh and cool every day. We are push it up. Rasta man, them a link up, we light it up. Everything so clean when we are nice it up. Rasta man, them a lock it up. Something level, Agbadika, Kulo level. Skiri bang bang, skiri bang bang, skiri bang bang, skiri bang bang, skiri bang bang. Something level, Agbadika.
So guys, it's really a nice experience. Like we are relaxing now. The tour guide is sitting right behind me. Like he has really been helpful, and this tour has been really nice. And we are tired. Like we are really tired. Like the site is beautiful. The rainbow effects are down there. The bats up there. The sights of the falls. The more you talk, the more it comes, and everything is just beautiful.
And there's also a rainbow.
Yeah. Everything is just nice. Like when you look down there, you can see something like a rainbow.
It's a rainbow.
Yeah, it's a rainbow. I think it's because of the effect from the kind of force there.
And then the sun.
Yeah, and the sun. So a combination of the sun, the water, force, and all that has formed the rainbow down there. And it's just beautiful. So we are relaxing a bit, then we know what's next.
The height of the fall.
So tired. So guys, now we are on our way. We are going back home. Okay, first we have to go and eat because we are hungry. So we'll leave here and then get to the town and eat. And I just met some people who I just met them all and they want to take picture with me, so that's it.
Let's go back.
Oh please, so we are leaving.
Oh, let's go.
No, our journey is far.
Where you go from?
Is that?
Where you from?
We are from outside the country.
Which country? Tell me the country.
Oh no, we are from this country, like by it's late. We've been here for some time and we are hungry, so we want to go. They are now coming and we are done, we are tired, we are hungry. Look at that girl, look at her face. She can't wait to get to the town. And we have like 45 minutes ahead of us. So guys, I don't know if I should end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to leave your comments. And you know one thing about this waterfall, the place is really neat. Like there are no trashes around and they are really taking very good care of the place. The place is really looking nice. No dirt, nothing at all, and I really like the place. So if you want me to take you on more of such tours, leave your comments, like this video, share, invite people to this channel. So they have a lodge which is the Wli Waterfall Lodge. So this is where we are coming to have lunch and we'll get going.